Benefits of Bacopa with source. Benefits: contains powerful antioxidants, may reduce inflammation, may boost brain function, may help reduce ADHD symptoms, may prevent anxiety and stress, may help lower blood pressure levels, may have anti-cancer properties. Himalaya, Bacopa Review. Description: since 1930. Non-GMO project verified. Certified USDA organic. Gluten-free. Happiness through wellness. For mental alertness. Empowers clarity of thought. Herbal Supplement. 2-month supply. Family owned for more than 85 years. cGMP vegan friendly. India organic. Suggested use: adults take 1 caplet per day before food. Warnings. Caution: as with any supplement, consult a healthcare practitioner before use if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, have a medical condition or are planning any medical procedure. Discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.